Hey everyone. Welcome back to the Sudeep AI show. Ever typed something into ChatGPT or even Google and got a reply that felt totally off or just didn't help at all? The problem likely wasn't the tool, it was the prompt. In today's video, we're going to break down the 8 key components of a high-quality prompt, the kind that gives you accurate, relevant, and useful responses every single time. Whether you are a student, working professional, entrepreneur, or a content creator. This guide is packed with simple concepts, real examples, and practical tips you can apply immediately. So let's get into it, and make sure your next prompt gets the result you're really looking for. Let's learn the components of good prompt 1. Instruction, directive. First up, the instruction, also known as the directive. This is the core of your prompt. It tells the AI exactly what to do. Example, list ideas for starting a dog walking business, or classify the sentiment of this review. Tip, a direct instruction leads to a focused, accurate response. Be specific about what you are asking. 2. Context, this gives the AI background or reference information to improve its understanding of your request. Example, assume the user is a first-time investor looking to save for retirement in 20 years. Providing context ensures that the AI responds with the right tone, depth, and focus. 3. Input data. Now, let's talk about the input. This is the content, question, or data you want the AI to process. Example, analyze the sentiment of this text. The service was quick, but the food was cold. Always make sure your input is clear, complete, and free of unnecessary noise. 4. Output indicator. The fourth element is the output indicator. It hints at how you want the answer to be formatted or structured. Example, sentiment, positive or neutral or negative, or ideas include. It acts as a cue for the model to respond in the way you expect. 5. Role specification. You assign a specific role to the AI. This influences tone, vocabulary, and technical depth. Example, act as a chartered accountant with 10 years of experience in Indian GST laws. Giving the AI a role helps tailor the response more professionally and accurately. 6. Examples. Few short or one-shot prompting. This is one of the most effective tools, giving examples. Example, translate the following English phrases into Spanish. 1. Hello, hola. 2. Good morning, buenos dias. Now translate, how are you? This method, known as few shot prompting, gives the model a format to follow, improving both consistency and accuracy. 7. Requirements, constraints. Don't forget to add requirements or constraints to avoid vague or overly broad answers. Example, summarize this paragraph in exactly 20 words, using formal tone, whether it's word count, tone, or formatting. Clearly stating what's required helps avoid confusion. 8. Clarity and conciseness. Finally, clarity and conciseness. Even if your prompt has all the right pieces, if it's too long, too vague, or too confusing, the AI won't get it right. Keep your prompt short and to the point, but include all essential details. Let's quickly recap the components of a great AI prompt. 1. Instruction, what should the AI do? 2. Context, background that improves understanding. 3. Input, data or content for the AI to analyze. 4. Output indicator, how the response should be shaped. 5. Role, define who the AI should act as. 6. Examples, show patterns to follow. 7. Requirements, mention any specific rules or limitations. 8. Clarity and conciseness, keep it sharp and precise. Think of it like briefing your assistant. If you're clear, you get results. If not, expect confusion. Thanks for watching this episode of the Sudeep AI show. If you learned something new, hit that like button, subscribe for more videos on AI, prompt engineering, and productivity, and drop a comment if you want to follow up on advanced prompting techniques. Till then, keep experimenting, keep learning, and prompt smartly.